For the upcoming autumn and winter season, Drumsheds collaborated and partnered up with Spotify.
They sort of reached out to us and they wanted to create a immersive space in the venue. Just have a bit of fun.
Once guests come in into the space, they trigger an interaction.
For this installation, we used some interactive cameras called the Z2 cameras. We have 3 of them in the room that track basically the whole room. In Unreal Engine, we built this really, really nice fluid interactions where you sort of wave, it can be smoky.
They can actually see through into the show as a live feed shows what's happening in the room.
They trusted us completely to sort of come up with a concept and to bring this whole idea to life. It's a project that is inside a really, really cool club.
To be there as a kind of backstage and actually see how all of it works has been really exciting. The experience at Drumsheds will stay there until at least December, so I really encourage everyone to actually pick a show that they like and go and experience it themselves.